guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Georgian Nicole here. Thank you guys so much for clicking to watch this video. Today I created this fun pink makeup look in awareness of Breast Cancer Month, which is the month of October. I was inspired to do this look for you guys and I am very impressed with how it came out. So if you'd like to see how I achieved this look, then please keep on watching. So my lids are prepped and ready to go. My brows are already complete. I'm going to start this look today with my Take Me Back to Brazil palette. And I'm going in with this shade. I'm just gonna start by placing that just above the crease. Okay, and I'll be taking my the Festival palette by Juvia's Place. I'm gonna go directly into the crease with this one. Just gonna build that up. Okay, so I was going to do a cut crease, but suddenly while I'm doing this I changed my mind. So I'm gonna try to do a halo eye today. It's gonna be my first attempt. Oops. So we're just building up those shadows, guys, building them up. You want it to look very intense. I want to blend out these edges some more, so I'm going to use a lighter pink to do that. Don't want the edges to look too harsh. Now I'm going to take my Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer. I'm going to put some on the back of my hand. I'm going to use it to create my halo. So I'm going to use it to blend out the edges. I'm gonna add some liquid liner. I'm not gonna do a full winged liner today. I'm just gonna go just right over the lid and stop at the outer V. I'm gonna use these lashes that I got from my box yesterday, from my coveted box. So I'm just gonna go off camera and apply those, and I'll be back. Okay guys, so my lashes are applied, and I also prepped my skin using my Pond's moisturizer and my Fenty Beauty primer. Now I'm gonna go in with my Fenty Beauty foundation in the shade 350. Don't worry guys, I'll be testing out new foundations pretty soon. It's just that I never used to wear foundation. I know that I found one that works so well for me, like I just want to use it all the time. I don't know why I always do it like this, and I don't really like to do it that way. I like to put it on the back of my hand. So I just did 3 pumps. I might need to go in for some more. Yeah, 2 more. I'm gonna take my beauty blender, my damped beauty blender. I'm just gonna blend everything out. Take my MAC Pro-Longwear concealer in the shade NC42. This is my favorite concealer. I took 3 pumps of that. So I have 2 MAC Studio Fix powders here. I use both of them on occasions. So the lighter one is in NC43 and the darker one is in NC45. NC45 is more matching to my skin tone, so I usually use it to balance out the rest of my skin. What I do with the lighter one, which is NC43, is I would take a smaller brush, like about this size, and I will dip it into the powder. If I find that the Sacha Buttercup is looking too yellow, that's what I would do. I'm going to go in with my NC45. Brush. The last video that I mentioned this palette in was in my Simple Rose Gold makeup look. I'll link it up top for you to check it out. I mentioned this bronzer but I didn't show it. And I'm gonna take, let's see, these 2. So I'm gonna use this one here for blush and this one for bronzing and contouring. And this is the back of it. This is just a e.l.f. powder brush that I use to apply my blush. This is my Mary Kay cheek brush. So that's what I'm going to use to bronze. I want to add some more definition to my cheeks, so I'm going to do some reverse contouring. Back in with the same Sacha Buttercup setting powder. This palette is very pigmented, so you want to be careful. Using that same palette to contour my nose. Just brushing away that Sacha Buttercup powder. I'm gonna do something a little bit different today. I'm going to use white eyeliner instead of black to put on my waterline. I'm using the Wet n Wild white eyeliner. I'm going in with my Bad Girl mascara. Now I'm going to set my face using my LA Girl Pro Setting Spray. Back into the Beauty Blender. I'm going to use my Master Chrome highlighter in 150. Sometimes I go in with my beauty blender just to blend it out a little bit more so it doesn't look too harsh. I add some on my nose and some in my tear duct area and all the other parts that I want to highlight. I'm gonna do something different today. I'm gonna add a little highlight on my collarbone. I think I should spray it first. Not sure why I'm feeling so extra today. I've always wanted to do this, so just see what kind of brand for me, yeah? And I'm going to line my lips using this Wet n Wild Fuchsia lip liner. Most of the writing has rubbed off, but yeah. So it just broke. Alright, let's try this again. Alright, and now I'm going to take my Victoria's Secret lip gloss. It's called Addicted to Pink. And I got this from my coveted box as well. Okay guys, so this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I enjoyed filming this. Pink is my favorite color and October is my month, which just makes everything so much more fun. Being that October is Breast Cancer Awareness Month, I felt inspired to do this look, you know, to bring awareness on my behalf. Not because this time comes around it has to be dull. So I hope this look inspired you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this makeup tutorial. This was just my way of paying tribute towards this awareness. Thank you so much for watching. I'm Georgian Nicole. Take good care. May God continue to bless you all. Please subscribe, comment, and share for more videos to come. Bye!
You don't hear my